Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got another nice free airdrop for you. I'm sure you're gonna like it because I already shared a couple others and you really liked it, guys. So another easy one for you. Briefly, it's just a browser extension that you install in your browser, Chrome, Brave, or whatever you have on Chrome based browsers. Really interesting. They have some good following on Twitter. They have some nice backing, and it just runs in the background, as you can see here, obviously, and earns you points. You can share with other people to also get some referral rewards. If you want to use my code, it will be down below. Thank you in advance. But obviously it's very simple. It uses your resources or your network a little bit, and then you earn the points, and hopefully you're gonna get some nice decent airdrop when they go live, when they go to the mainnet, when they release the coin, and share it with us, and then you can obviously sell it or keep it. And as you can see here, the dates is gonna run for a while. We are now in Q1. The node is, I think this one is already node, so it's running. And then obviously you have different integrations, and then listing the coin on the centralized exchange and expanding, obviously. Really nice, easy to install. As you can see on Twitter as well, they've got 750,000 people already, which is really cool. And once you go through the link, you register your username, your password, and you will land on a page like that, which will give you obviously all access to all the things. You've got you can set up Telegram node, you can install browser extension, which is this one here, obviously, to add to your browser. You can install desktop. No, I didn't do it yet. I'm not sure if it's ready yet, but yeah, I think it's not ready yet. And then I just did obviously this one, and the Telegram, not sure if it's ready yet as well. Oh yeah, it looks like it's ready, so you can click on that as well, and you can start, I'm not sure which one, start the airdrop. Yeah, so you're launching a mini app, and you can run the node probably inside the Telegram, which is cool as well. Okay, so might be even easier, but you can do both if you want the browser one and the Telegram run. It's going to obviously run in the background. Email verification, I think I did that. This one should be able to claim it. Okay, so this one is claimed, and you've got again referrals and your profile. So very nice and simple to use. So let's go back here. As you can see, really easy. So I did the browser extension, and then you literally go through these things. I'm not sure why this is offline. It should be running, but also you have some tasks, as you can see here. Connect Twitter, email verification. I did that. Okay, I didn't do it, probably maybe they didn't click it. So yeah, basically when you register, you put your email and do all these things. Open Telegram, go through all these things. Yeah, like rate extension as well if you can, and do all these things. Yeah, you're gonna check in some time. Very easy, very simple. A lot of these things now are running like that, so I urge you to give it a try and earn some points completely free. So thank you guys for watching.